In this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Publix online. To do this, what you want to do is just open up a browser and search for Publix Careers. Then click on the official Publix link, so Publix Store and Corporate Careers. And then here you can search jobs by title or keyword and by location. So I recommend at least adding a location, and the title or keyword you can leave open. And then just going to click search. And then, for example, for this location, there are 14 results, so 14 open jobs. They can also do more filters, such as employment type, salary, department, etc. So just select whichever one you want to do. Let's say that I want to apply for the beverage service, then you can just click on it, and you will see the required qualifications, job descriptions, the preferred qualifications, etc. And if you then just want to go and apply for this job, what you want to do is click on apply right here. And then here, click on apply to store. Now here they will ask which store or stores you are most interested in working at. So again, just enter the location that you had just now. So then from there, you will see all these stores near you. So then just going to select whichever one it is that you want to apply to by clicking on apply right there. Then they will also ask, would you like to apply for more stores? So you can say yes or no. And then you can add any others as well. So you can apply for up to 3 stores. Then here select if you have an existing Publix account. If not, then you will need to register for a new account. From there, just going to answer any questions that they ask. So just enter the info, and then after submitting your application, they will reach out to you. So that's how to apply for a Publix job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.